Hello my friends, my name is Ellen. Welcome to my Southern Kitchen and the 374th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today's recipe I'm going to share with y'all an amazing dessert just in time for the summer. We're going to make frozen lemonade pie. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. Simple and easy to make, and it's going to be full of lemon flavor. And the best part about this pie, no oven and no hand or stand mixer required. And this dessert would be great to serve for your barbecue cookouts, fish fries, and family reunions. Everybody's going to love this dessert. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my no-bake desserts recipes playlist and my previous video, chocolate gravy. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your lemonade, your whipped cream, and your lemon sugar, because we're about to make some frozen lemonade pie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make the crust. In my bowl, I have 30 lemon cream flavor Oreos that I crushed up. And we're going to add in 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I melted. And give that a stir until it's well incorporated. Now we're ready to pour the crumbs into the pan. We're going to pour it in a 9-inch deep dish pie plate that I greased with cooking spray. Alright my friends, so now we're going to flatten. And then using a measuring cup, we're just going to press it down like this. Alright, so now we're going to put our Oreo crust in the freezer and let it chill for 30 minutes. And while that's chilling, we can get started on our lemonade filling. In my large bowl, we're going to add in a 6-ounce can, which is half of a 12-ounce of frozen lemonade concentrate that I thawed. And it's almost 1 cup. And we're going to add in 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Love this stuff. We're going to fold these ingredients together until they're well combined. Alright, next we're going to add in 3 cups of fresh whipped cream. And this is my homemade whipped cream recipe. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. And I added in a half a teaspoon of pure lemon extract to my whipped cream. Last but not least, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. And fold this in until it's well incorporated. And that's it my friends. See how simple and easy it was? And no mixer required. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish folding in everything and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through folding everything together. Look how smooth and creamy that is. I love the smell of lemon. Smells awesome in this kitchen. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to pour the filling into our chilled lemon Oreo crust. Alright my friends, so now we're going to smooth a little bit with my spatula. Perfect. So now we're going to pop our lemonade pie into the freezer and we're going to let it chill overnight until it's firm. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. All right, my friends, it's the next day and our lemonade pie is nice and firm. So now it's time for the final step. I have some leftover whipped cream and I'm using my 1M piping tip. We're just going to decorate it on the sides. Like so. And then we're just going to add some lemon zest right on top. And there you have it, my friends. Frozen lemonade pie. Doesn't that look beautiful? Alright, so now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I garnished it with the lemon slice on top. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Oh yeah, look at that texture, nice and creamy. Mmm. Mmm. So refreshing. I love that sweet and tart combination. I'm in lemonade heaven. This frozen lemonade pie is amazing. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. That lemon Oreo crust is divine. Yum oh. Frozen lemonade pie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.